Welcome again to the third unit of this class, and today we are going to download OBS, install in the computer, and get started with that side of this course. So if you are here, let's do it. So normally what I would do is go straight to Google or whatever browser you use and just type OBS download, something like that. And at the very top you see there download OBS Studio. Click on that. It brings you to this window whereby to show you here you have Apple computer, you got Windows, and if you scroll down you will see there's the Windows release. OBS Studio supports 10, Windows 10 and 11. So for this you have to have Windows 10 and 11. And then you have the installer here. So you just click on the download installer. You click on that. And you can see here on this end here, OBS is being downloaded. So once it's complete, we'll open it. So it looks like it completed. So you need to go to your File Explorer and go to Downloads. And you can see you got OBS. I had also downloaded how it looks like. So just click on the one, double click. And in this, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Say yes. And now you welcome to OBS Studio, click next. In here, if you want to read through this, you can read, but normally I don't. So I'll just click next. And then here is asking you to install. So normally here is telling you that the destination of the folder, it will be in the C drive, programs files, and then OBS Studio. But you can also browse to put it in another place, but I just usually go with the default path for the folder. So I will say install, and now it's started to install the software here. So this may take a couple of seconds or minutes. So we have the OBS complete setup is completed. And then launch OBS Studio. We'll click on that, yes. View release notes. We'll just leave that unclicked. So just click just the way it is and just say finish. And now OBS will launch. And in here it says there's a new update available, 31.01. So since we are here, I'll just go ahead and update now. So if you click or you see this button here, and maybe when you are doing this, in your case, you might be downloading the latest version, so you may not get this window. But for me, I'm getting this. It says there's an update that I need to download. So I'll just go ahead and update it. Yes. So it's looking for updates. So the updates are complete, and now I'll go ahead and launch OBS. And then as you can see, our OBS is there. We are good to go to get started with the setup. So in the next class, we will now start creating scenes and sources, audio mixers, and going to the settings and doing a little bit more things. But for now, this class ends here, and see you in the next class.